it's fun for me as a mom now just to have them able to play, can be in the back of the house and hear music in our house. I think that's really fun.
Just beyond the square of the town, the Music Institute of Carrollton harbors a world of music for children and families to explore.
I enjoy just listening to them play all the time. They're all at a level now that they're not necessarily beginners, and so they can kind of do things on their own.
Both of them moved down.
Several times a year, the piano studio will bring out the students, and we actually play outside on the square, and so it's a very community-based thing.
Yes, that's
The Carrollton Art Institute embraces the community through their outreach to the town's families, summer camps, and multi-age lessons.
When we get up here, your left hand is way too fast because you're.
Carrollton actually does have a lot of music. We have a lot of things in the square. That's something that's happened in the last few years.
Even have it with the dance studio next door where like one kid will have a dance class and one kid will have a lesson and then they'll switch, you know?
You ready? Then we have our nice big scale.
For Tyler Center, I'm Reed Schueler reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.
It was a fun ending, right?